What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to work on this 2020 Hyundai Tucson. So what we are going to do is we are replacing stock halogen bulb in this car and we are changing with LED 5000K bright white bulb. It will change our driving in the night because the stock lights, as you can see, it's not that bright and it's a yellow. And driving on the road in the nights when there is no street lights, it's really hard. So I'm going to show you how to replace those bulbs with the brand new LED bulb. In most of the cars, it's really easy to change the light bulbs. All you do is remove the harness, remove the old bulb, plug in the new bulb and connect the harness. But in this car, Hyundai made it a little bit complicated. Let me show you guys what I'm saying. So open the hood. So for the low beam lights, the cover is right here for the left headlight. So the low beam light is right here behind this. So to remove it, you have to turn this anti-clockwise like this. It's really easy to rotate. Once it's stopped, you just pull it out and remove it. And if you see there, this one right here, that's where the bulb sits, inside. So to remove the bulb, you have to rotate this part anti-clockwise also. So you just go like this, rotate, and comes out. And the bulb actually sits inside this plastic bracket. So the problem with this is if you are replacing with halogen bulb, that's fine. But if you are trying to change it with LED bulb, most of the LED bulb in the market comes with the fan in the back and then long wire to connect to the connector for the power. If you are using those LED bulb, it's not going to sit here. There are some LED bulb comes with this kind of bracket you can plug in, and then you can remove the wiring from this and plug in into those LED bulbs. But they are so expensive. But I found few bulbs on the Amazon which can work perfectly on this car. Let me show you those. So from Amazon I have bought these LED lights. Let me show you guys how it looks. I have selected this brand because I have used in the other cars before and they work really good and they are good quality too. It looks just like this. So there is no fan in the back and long wiring harness or anything, and actual fan is in the front. So it can just plug right into our socket. And also it's made from metal. It's not a plastic, cheap plastic. That's why I like this quality. So let me show you how to install this back into the car. Let me start the light so you guys can see. So there's a notch. There are two notches. One notch stays on the bottom and then one notch goes into this bracket right here. It just plugs in just like that. And then when you put it inside, you have to turn it clockwise. So when you put back into the bracket inside the headlight, make sure you align this notch inside and then turn it clockwise. So let me put this one inside and show you guys. So it just goes inside. And you have to align with the notches. Once it's aligned, turn it clockwise. And one advice, when you are installing that light, make sure you are using gloves because there are lots of sharp corners can cut your hands. And with the LED, because it's a thicker material, it's hard to turn it clockwise. You have to put some force, but it works. It clicks in and it's good to go. So I'm going to install on the other side and show you guys how it looks on the wall. And then I'm going to take car outside and we will see outside what is the difference. Once LED is installed inside the headlight, make sure you use this cover and install it back. To install it back, it's simple. You just align the notches and rotate it clockwise, and that's it. So I'm going to install on the second one. And when you are installing the light, make sure you don't touch the LED part of the light. Also, when you remove the original bulb, if you want to keep those bulb, make sure you don't touch the glass of the bulb. So guys, our LED light bulbs are finally installed. So let's see how it looks. Start the car, go for a drive, and see how it looks in the road in the night. So as you can see, we have those LED white lights. Only problem with these new cars is once we use the LED lights, they don't use much current. So there are computers in the car to detect if the bulb is blown out or not. Since LED use low current, computer is thinking that our bulb is gone and it's giving us a warning light. Let me put into reverse or something. You will see. There you go. Check. Headlight low. But it's not a problem. As you can see, we have a headlight on. It's just a warning. There are some registers you can use in the series to remove this warning, but if the light is working, for me it's fine. If you cannot handle this, then you have to use the old halogen style bulb with probably white light, or you have to use something else. If you want to use LED headlight, there will be this warning. So guys, that's all gonna be for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to watch more videos like this, please hit the subscribe and bell icon. That way you don't miss out any other videos. See you next time.